So, as I told you, one more example. So again, what you have to see? Let us see. Any angle is greater than internal angles. Okay. So this is an angle outside. Okay. This outside. This outside. This is outside. This is outside. Okay. Now we have to see inside what is happening. Okay. Now inside, smaller as compared to outside. 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 Bigger as compared to outside. So this angle is greater than 180 degree. Means one angle is greater than 180 degree. So okay, and one more thing is that when it is greater than 180, somewhere you're getting a diagonal. Okay, somewhere you're getting a diagonal greater than, sorry, outside the diagram. So this is a diagonal. Okay, diagonal outside the diagram. Okay, diagonal outside. Okay, the conditions are satisfied, so it's a concave polygon. Okay, so these are some of the questions which you need to do. Okay, means you need to identify whether it's a convex or concave polygon. We know the thing. Okay, we know the drill how to find out. Okay, so now first we have to see the angles. First you see the angles inside and outside, bigger or smaller. Okay, let me do with the outside one, the green one. Outside, outside, out, out. Everywhere I will do with the green one. After that I will complete. Okay, so that it will be easy for us. So see, I have marked all the green, all the outside angles with the green one. Now we'll see with the red one. Okay, I will see with the red one. It's bigger or not. Smaller, 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 smaller. All angles are smaller, so it's a, what it will be? All angles are smaller. The answer will be, so it's a simple convex polygon. Convex polygon, first one. Okay, so see the next one. Bigger. This is bigger. Huh? This is bigger. Let me see. No, it's also not bigger. This is bigger compared to this one. This one. So it is also a convex polygon. Okay, let's see the next one. Smaller. This is bigger. Sir, you're drawing the big diagram. There's a field. No. So if you'll see, we'll draw a small one as compared to inside one. See bigger. So any one is bigger means what will happen? It will be concave. Moreover, you see, you can make the diagonal also. Diagonal is also possible. Here, smaller, bigger than this one. Smaller, smaller, bigger. Anyone. Moreover, you can draw the diagonal also. So, concave. Okay. Next one. Smaller, smaller, bigger, smaller, smaller, diagonal. So, concave. Clear? Next. Smaller, 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 smaller. So this is convex. Inside diagonals. All the convex have inside diagonals. All the convex will have inside diagonals. Okay, convex, concave, outside diagonals. Okay. So this one. Smaller, 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 inside diagonal. So CON convex. Okay. This one. Smaller, smaller. This is bigger. See, when I'm moving my hand as compared to this one, I have to travel more. Bigger, smaller. So again, okay, outside, see, outside diagonals. Okay, so it's a concave. Understood? So this is the way you'll identify. Just you'll draw the diagram, you'll make the circle, you will make the arc. Okay, the way I made, okay, the diagram you can make, otherwise by seeing also you can say. See the distance which I have traveled, okay, with the green one is less as compared to the distance which I have traveled with the red one. So obviously the angle is greater than this one. Inside you'll see every time. Okay, it's a convex side. So now you understood how to identify whether it's a convex one or the concave one. Okay, a vertex side and angle. So if you'll see the diagram which is available to you, it is the side is there, okay, angle is there, and vertex is there. Sides, you know what are sides? The arms, the hands of any diagram, and vertex is the common point, the common to that side and this side, okay, and the arc which is made between that common sides with a common vertex is known as angle. Okay, is known as angle. Understood that one? Okay, if you'll see the diagram again, they are saying the common endpoint. See vertex is so now vertex is visible to you. Okay, and this ray means the arms. These are sides. Inside that is an angle. Okay, understood. If you will see the three, if you want to see there again with the three lines. Okay, again it forms an angle, and the common vertex is there. Vertex means this point, any point, and this is the sides. Understood? Okay, so these are the sides and this is the vertex. So you're clear? Okay. Okay, now this is not a main thing, but I have explained you. Okay, we'll see next. Okay, so we'll see, if you'll see the diagram, so somewhere I have written adjacent sides. Okay, so this is a common vertex for this one and this one. This is a common vertex for this, so it can be also, it can be also. So it will have a common vertex. Okay, endpoint you can say. Okay, so which one is common to this one? So this is common, this for this side, and this side, this is common. So they are adjacent. For these two, this point is common, so they are adjacent. For these two, this is common, so they are adjacent. So according to the adjacent sides are there. Okay, adjacent sides. Okay, so according to that, you see the diagram. Okay, they have given an angle, so it's a common to both the sides. So adjacent side, this one, adjacent sides. Okay, next again there is an angle, so again it is visible, it's adjacent sides. Okay, common endpoint is there. Okay, we have a common endpoint, that's a adjacent sides. Understood what are adjacent sides? So this is adjacent angle. Adjacent angle means you will have a common vertex or common point. Okay, so this one and this one, so this is common for the everyone. So angle means this angle which is being made by using this leg and this one, and this angle is made on this one. So if you will see, a common side is also there for both the angles. Okay, this one, because this angle is made on this one and this one, this angle is made on this one and this one. Okay, so common arm also. So it have a common vertex. Okay, it will have a common vertex, that is known as common angle. Okay, adjacent angles. Adjacent means side by side. So something common will be there in that one. Okay, so adjacent angle means what? It will have a common point and common side also. It will share a common point and common what is it? Common side also. That will be a adjacent side, adjacent angles. Okay. Okay, so the diagram is also the diagram is visible to you. Okay, so again some more diagrams are also visible everywhere you see. Okay, they're saying that a common thing is there, a common side is there and common angle is there. Okay, let's go for the next one. Okay, small thing is that you need to do, after that we'll go to the topic. So you see B. Okay, this B is there, this is common for, means common vertex for, so this one and this one. No, in AB also B is coming, and in BC also B is coming. So B is common for AB and BC. Okay, these two are adjacent sides. Adjacent sides with the common vertex is B. Okay, and for C, so it will be DC, BC. So adjacent sides again, na, with C has a this one. Okay, next. So clear? Okay, so according to B, the adjacent sides are this one. Okay, now you tell me, can can AD and AD, this one, and BC are adjacent. Sir, if you see nicely in this one, AB, BC means B is common. So B is a common vertex. DC, BC. So C is common. So common vertex C. Trick. AD, DC. So D is common again is so common vertex. AD, AB. So the letter which is common, okay, that's a common vertex. Okay, there. So if it's a common vertex is there, so they are adjacent sides. Okay. Now they are asking AD and BC. Any common vertex you have? No, sir, we are not having any common vertex. So they are not adjacent sides. So they are not adjacent sides. Wrong. Okay. And BC and AB and DC. AB. Wait, let me write. AB and DC. No, sir. They are also not having any common letter. No common arm. No common vertex. So it's not an adjacent angle. Okay. So you understood what are adjacent angles? So adjacent sides. Okay. And non-adjacent. So these are non-adjacent sides. These are non-adjacent sides which are not having any common vertex. So the one which is not having any common vertex between them, they are non-adjacent sides. Clear what are non-adjacent sides? Okay, sir.